guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to change your theme to your QGIS from light to dark. Stay tuned. So some of you guys have asked, how do you change the theme on QGIS to the dark theme or night mapping? And the process is actually quite simple. So once we open up our QGIS project, we come up to the top under Settings. We're going to click onto Options. Under the Options, we're going to make sure you're under General, and then under Application, you can see that there is a UI theme, and there's a drop down here. So we have the default, which is the white, and then we have night mapping, and that is the dark. So if I go and click onto that, it does say that we need to restart QGIS, and that's okay. So again, I have night mapping selected. I'm going to select OK, and I will close out and reopen QGIS. And here we go. The theme is now dark. So I hope that helps, and thanks for that great question. And if you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop those in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do put out videos once a week, so definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.